When I see the next person that goes past, they'll be used for the lab. Test subject. Oh, he's escaping! Get on the floor! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Don't hurt me, please, Mr. Man.
Test subject. Weirdness. Oh no! We put too much weirdness in his brain. We need to stitch it up. So we need to stitch up the wound. Okay, the wound is now stitched. Test subject. Test subject is having a seizure. We need to wake him up. Waking up virus. Rip his ear. Now it's time for dinner. Nom 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 nom. Weirdness test subject. Weirdness test subject. Weirdness test subject. Okay. Put him in the tube and wake him up. You are now in a tube. You can't move.
What?
You can barely move out of here. You are now in a tube. You are now stuck.
What are you going to do with me?
You know your friend? We've put subject weirdness in him. And now he's permanently weird for the rest of your life. So,
My best friend, Mr. Puppet.
Ah!